This is tutorial of adjusting rear brake lever of Vespa LX 125. This is too deep and I will adjust this so that the braking will begin at about 1/3 of brake lever stroke. Tools to be used: this 10 mm wrench, plier to hold brake rod. The plier will be very useful when the screws are hard to be turned. The place is on the rear wheel on the left side. A little bit difficult to be accessed too low. This is lock nut and this is screw to be adjusted. If the brake lever too deep, we have to turn the lock nut clockwise so that it will move frontward. Then we turn the screw also clockwise so that it will move in the same direction to the front. After done adjusting the screw, fasten the lock nut by turning it anti-clockwise. Turn this lock nut clockwise. After it has enough room, then we can adjust the screw to a proper position. Adjust the screw to a position so that the braking will begin at about 1/3 of brake lever stroke. Next step, fastening the lock nut. I think it's enough. I hope this video tutorial can help you in adjusting rear brake lever of Vespa LX 125. Thanks you for watching.